Welcome back to another interesting tutorial. And in this video, I'll show you on how to create zip files on your mobile. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your files. After you open up your files, then you can go ahead and select the particular files that you want to create a zip file for. For instance, on my file right here, I want to create a zip file for a photo. So I will go ahead and click on my photo sections right here. So having opened up my photo, then I want to create a zip file for about two different photos. I will click and hold down, select the first photo and select the second photo. Okay. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on these three dots from the top. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on compress. Then go ahead and enter the file name. Then go ahead and click on compress. Compressing two items. So allow everything to compress finish, then you have it right here. Click on view, then you have access to your zip file. Then you can make use of search right here and type in the name of the zip. So I'm going to click on here and type in new. So you can see now right here, we have the zip file right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.